Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. In this video, we will learn what DevOps is and the tools associated with it. DevOps is a culture and set of practices that brings development and operations together. The goal is to deliver software faster, safer, and more reliably. A simple way to visualize DevOps is as a continuous loop: plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, and monitor. The loop shows continuous improvement. Now let's look at the DevOps toolchain. Different tools support each stage of the cycle. Here are common tools by stage: planning, Jira; code, Git and GitHub; build, Maven; test, Selenium; release and deploy, Jenkins and Docker; monitor, Prometheus and Grafana. A key DevOps idea is continuous integration and continuous delivery, often called CI/CD. Code changes are automatically built, tested, and delivered. In summary, DevOps connects development and operations, uses a continuous loop of improvement, and relies on tools to automate each stage. Thank you for learning with PN Expert.